lights, jersey shining in the stands. A nation cheers, the dream is in our hands. But what's the cost of this promised game? Do we rise or fall under hidden names?
From the highlands to the islands, we scream go team. The dream of the NRL, now a PNG theme. Kids with a ball, they chase the spotlight, but behind closed doors, it's a different fight. Contract signed, millions on the line. The field is green, but the stakes intertwine. A nation's pride or a political card. PMJM plays it fast, but is the future too hard? We rise for the league, our hearts in the play. But the shadows grow darker each passing day. Is it unity they sell or control they seek? In the league of power, the truth's what we need. PMJ, a calculated move, a legacy stamped, a nation to prove. But rugby league's more than a sport on the grass. It's a power play, a political pass. Parliament whispers, no votes to displace. While the nation cheers, he's securing his space. NRL's a stage, but the script ain't ours. Who's really scoring under corporate stars? It's not just a game, it's a nation's soul. The dreams of the young, the stories untold. But what will they say when the money's all gone? Did we build a team or sell our home? Albany smiles, but what's behind the grin? Aid or agenda, where does it begin? Colonial tactics in a modern disguise. Control through the game, dressed up in our pride. Millions lost in the schemes we can't see. Loans to fund glory, but who holds the key? From Port Moresby streets to the Canberra halls. The league's a ladder, but who breaks the falls? The league can unite, but we must stay awake. Question the deals for our children's sake. Rugby's our heart.